Welcome to our deep dive into the best frameworks for building Agentic AI, designed for developers and tech enthusiasts. Agentic AI refers to autonomous systems capable of perceiving environments, reasoning, planning, and taking actions to achieve specific goals without constant human intervention. These AI agents go beyond simple chatbots by incorporating tool usage, memory, and multi-step decision-making, often using frameworks like React. Key concepts include single agents, multi-agent systems, long-term memory via vector stores, and robust tool integration. Now, let's explore the top frameworks that empower developers to build these sophisticated AI agents. First up is LangChain, the most popular modular framework for LLM applications, launched in November 2022. With over 90,000 GitHub stars, LangChain supports agents via LCL and LangGraph for stateful workflows, making it ideal for complex, production-grade agents. Its vast ecosystem boasts over 200 integrations, including OpenAI and Hugging Face, along with robust memory modules and retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. Next, we have LlamaIndex, which focuses on data connectors and indexers for RAG-heavy agents, optimized for Llama models. With around 35,000 GitHub stars, LlamaIndex excels with over 100 data loaders and pairs well with LangChain for comprehensive solutions. CrewAI, launched in 2024, is a role-based multi-agent framework with about 20,000 GitHub stars. It simplifies collaborative workflows through simple YAML configurations, allowing agents to delegate tasks and achieve goals efficiently. AutoGen, from Microsoft, is a conversational multi-agent system with approximately 30,000 GitHub stars. It supports human-in-the-loop interaction and code execution, proving scalable to hundreds of agents and showing significant task completion improvements. Finally, Haystack, developed by DeepSet since 2019, is a modular framework for search, QA, and agents, known for its production-ready pipelines. Now that we've covered the frameworks, let's look at the essential tools that power these agentic AI systems. At the core are large language models, the brains of our agents. Options include GPT 4.0, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and the open-source Llama 3.1 405 billion. Vector databases are crucial for long-term memory and efficient retrieval, with popular choices like Pinecone, Weaviate, Chroma, and FASS. Other vital tools include AI search APIs like Tavily and SERP API, and no-code automation platforms such as Zapier and Make. Now, let's walk through a high-level development process for building your own agentic AI. The first step is to clearly define your agent's goal, ensuring it is smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, select your large language model by testing 3 to 5 models on benchmarks like the Berkeley function calling leaderboard. Then, choose your framework, with LangChain often being a flexible and powerful option for many projects. Implement the core loop: observe, reason, act, and reflect, often leveraging OpenAI functions for seamless integration. Add essential tools, such as a calculator using SimPy or web search capabilities with the requests library, typically 5 to 10 functions. Integrate memory, short-term with conversation buffers, and long-term using vector indexes like Pinecone for efficient retrieval. Establish guardrails, including Pydantic validation for data integrity and rate limits to manage API usage. Thoroughly test your agent with unit tests for 80% coverage, end-to-end tests using Langsmith traces, and A/B testing for success rates above 90%. Finally, deploy your agent using platforms like Streamlit or FastAPI, scaling with tools such as Ray for optimal performance. In summary, building agentic AI involves defining goals, selecting frameworks and tools, and following a structured development and testing process. To get started, install LangChain, explore their documentation, join community discords, and experiment on platforms like Replicate or Hugging Face Spaces. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide empowers you to begin your journey into the exciting world of agentic AI.